a divertirnos jugando. I'm Sunny J.
And I'm Moony,
your bilingual buddies. Look, the ocean. Can you say ocean? Ocean. Good job. Ocean is océano. Mira, mira el océano. ¿Puedes decir océano? Muy bien. O is for ocean. O is for ocean. O is for ocean. Ocean starts with O. It starts with O. O is for orange. O is for orange. Orange starts with O. It starts with O. O is for octopus. O is for octopus. Octopus starts. It starts with O. Look, an octopus. An orange octopus. Wow. O is for orange. 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 Awesome. Mira, es un pulpo. ¿Puedes decir pulpo? Sí, es un octopus. Pulpo, octopus. A big octopus and a small octopus. Big and small are opposites. Very good. So many. Can you help me count the orange fish? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 orange fish. Thank you.
I'm an ocean friend in the sea so blue. Life underwater is a dream come true. You can swim with me in the ocean's glare. Imagination, let's explore down there.
Come on, kids, let's explore.
Yeah.
Come on, kids, let's explore.
¿Qué tal si contamos los peces naranja en español? Ayúdame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 peces naranja. Muy bien. I am a sea creature in the ocean's world. Life in the water is a watery world.
You're my friends, let's explore where the sea creatures live. Find them here, find them there, swimming happy. Life underwater is fantastic.
Yeah.
Be bilingual underwater.
Veamos qué más hay en el cofre mágico. It's a crab! Es un cangrejo! I love crabs. Did you know crabs like to walk sideways? Let's walk like crabs. To the left. To the right. Un cangrejo. A crab. Good job.
One little, 2 little, 3 little orange fish. 4 little, 5 little, 6 little orange fish. 7 little, 8 Little 9 little orange fish, 10 little orange fish swimming.
Ahora juguemos a completar la secuencia con los animales del océano. Ayúdame a identificar qué viene después. Pez, tortuga, pez, tortuga. ¿Qué viene al final de la secuencia? Muy bien, un pez. Good job.
The turtle's going. It's going up. Can you say up, up, up? Up, up, up. Good job. Arriba. La tortuga va hacia arriba, up. Good job. That's us. We have so many more videos for you to learn and have fun. Make sure to subscribe and check out our channel for more. See you there. Bye.